T-minus 1 minute, guys, and counting. There's another siren that's down over there. You can't see it, sadly. I wish we were allowed in the field. Focus. I'll try and get it as stable as we can. Sorry about the screen shaking. T-minus 20. I repeat, T-minus 20. T-minus 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. It should happen any second now. It's 12 o'clock. Siren should test. Hopefully. But if they do, we'll easily be able to see it. Come on, focus. Stupid sun. Gosh dang it. They'll test any second now. Be warned, jump scare warning, okay? I repeat, jump scare. Any second now, because they're heading in. I wish we had a radio to listen. There we go! We can hear the modulator! You can hear a modulator off in the distance. There's another 2001 by the Gerbs over there. You can hear a modulator in the distance, and you can also barely hear a 3T22. So we can confirm this siren test is successful. All sirens are running normally. Actually, I think I can hear the 3T22 doing high-low signal. Guys, I think I can also hear a... I don't know. They should show off any second now. It's getting close to the 3-minute mark. And they're shutting down. And that's it, guys. The siren test was a success. I repeat, siren test success. They have not run for a couple of months. At least I haven't been able to see them. We will do a siren test video next month. Hopefully get a clear review. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.